Ac ni'n gwybod cymaint o deuluodd sydd yn rhannu y cariad yma at y ceffylau, tithen gwybod ni gystal â neb. Mae'n gallu uno teuluodd.
Yndi, yn bendant, mae o'n rhywbeth allwch chi'n neud gyda'r teulu i gyd. Yn y dosbarth yma'n enwedig, mae David Newsom yn gyntaf, mae ferch o'n bedwerydd gyda gaseg fach ar hyn o bryd, felly mae'n amlwg bod o'n rhywbeth a diddordeb bod nhw'n rhannu efo'i gilydd.
Mae chi'n byw'r peth.
Ie, ynddo, mae o'n cymryd bywyd drosodd.
Lly, dyma ni, 6-9-6. Wain Felyn Pompom enillodd llynedd.
Ie, Adrian Pasg yw'r gŵr boneddig yma o Pontypool. Ac mae'r teulu wedi bod yn nghlwm ar merlod Adran Ec ers blynydde. Ac enillodd nhw yma llynedd gyda'r gaseg yma.
Dewch i ni gael gweld os fydden nhw'n gallu ailadrodd y stori leni. I ni yn rhan ucha y prif gylch ar hyn o bryd, a dyma ni y Rhanfrid Cymreig. Dyma'r adran. Ac wedi ennill. Mae yna wobre yn dod yn gyflym iawn bore yma. Mae Trindod Celtic Lady fyny. Allan o'r march Brookvale Celtic Isle a'r gaseg Telynau Capri.
In third place, 1307, Matthew and Adrian Everett and Chapman, Salter, Celtic Iron.
Ie, mae'r pendroni a'r dyfalu ar ben. Mae'n swyddogol. Yn ennill dosbarth i'r ebolesi neu adferch blwydd oed yn adran y Rhanfrid Cymreig, mae Trindod Celtic Lady. Diwrnod i'w gofio heb os, a llon gyfarchiadau i'r perchenog Liz Hampson.
Dosbarth nesaf yn Rhanfrid. We now move on to the following class, so class 117 in the Welsh Part-bred, which is code 1-year-old, maturity,
Let's come forward, please. All exhibitors in class 117.
Well, I'm joined by Ian Boylan, and you've just won the Royal Welsh in the Part-breds, the first class of the morning on this final day of the Royal Welsh. I know you're showing on behalf of the owner, but I can't see her. Where is Liz?
Well, she'll be somewhere busy. She has a number of ponies here with her again today with her son, so I haven't seen her myself yet, so hopefully she'll have heard that.
And have you got a busy week up here, or have you just come up here for today?
No, we arrived on Monday evening. We did the pony breeding, which she also won in her class. And then we have another pony with us, so we're in the next class.
I think we've also seen Liz doing quite a lot in this Section A, so she's obviously a very keen breeder.
Absolutely, yeah. Her and her son are very passionate about it, so we were lucky enough for her to send the filly to us, so, you know, it's worked out really nicely for her.
Well, a fantastic start to this Thursday morning in the beautiful sunshine. Many, many congratulations and good luck for the rest of the day.
Thank you very much.
Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi.
Bye-bye.
And when Arian was born, her mother felt she should buy her a pony. So when about 4 or 5 months old, she was bought a Palomino Section A, and he was called Prince Paul.